Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Stars. Billions of them. It looks peaceful. It looks beautiful. But the most terrifying thing about the universe isn't the monsters that might be out there. It's the silence. For 60 years, we have pointed our radio telescopes at the stars, listening for a signal, any signal. We expected a chorus of voices. We expected noise. Instead, nothing, just the hiss of static. There are two possibilities. One, we are completely alone in an infinite universe. Or two, everyone else is staying quiet. For a reason. Mathematically, the silence makes no sense. There are billions of stars in our galaxy alone. Most of them are billions of years older than our sun. Even with the most conservative estimates, millions of civilizations should have risen by now. They should be everywhere. This is the Fermi Paradox. Where is everybody? Scientists have spent decades coming up with excuses. Maybe they are too far away. Maybe they don't use radio. Maybe they destroyed themselves. But there is another theory, one that doesn't rely on technology. It relies on psychology. It is called the dark forest theory. And if it's true, we have made a terrible mistake. The theory was popularized by sci-fi author Liu Cixin. Imagine a dark forest at night. It is deathly quiet, but it isn't empty. The forest is full of armed hunters. These hunters are paranoid. They are careful. They tread softly through the leaves. They don't know if the other hunters are friends or enemies. But in the dark, you cannot afford to take the risk. If a hunter sees movement, if he sees another person, he doesn't say hello. He shoots. He shoots because it is the only way to guarantee his own survival. In this forest, hell is other people. The universe isn't empty. It is full. But it is full of hunters hiding in the dark, waiting for a snap of a twig. This brings us to humanity. We are not a hunter. We are a child. We have wandered into the dark forest, lit a massive bonfire, and started screaming at the top of our lungs. Since the invention of radio, we have been blasting our location into space. We sent maps of our solar system on the Voyager probes. We sent the Arecibo message, a literal invitation telling aliens exactly where we live. We thought we were being friendly. In the context of the dark forest, we were just painting a target on our backs. The scariest part of this theory is that it doesn't require aliens to be evil. They don't have to hate us. They just have to be afraid. If a civilization is advanced enough to travel the stars, they are advanced enough to destroy a planet. If they see us, they see a potential threat. Maybe not today, but in 1,000 years? Yes. And the safest move, the logical move, is to eliminate the threat before it grows. It's not personal. It's pest control. We have been shouting into the void for 100 years. If the dark forest theory is right, the fact that we haven't been answered yet is a miracle. Or maybe the signal just hasn't arrived yet. Maybe the hunter has already seen the fire, and maybe, right now, the bullet is already on its way. So the next time you look up at the stars and wonder why it's so quiet, be grateful, because in the dark forest, silence is survival.